आं जोंनि बर'फोरनिफ्राय फर्स्ट टाइम फैदों मारैसो मोनलायलांबाय
Back to my channel.
Bodoland University.
Today we are going to जों दिनै मोनसे जायगायाव थांगोन हिल ट्रेकिं खालामनो ओमफ्राय एसे फट' लाग्रोनोसै नै बयबो थांगोन जों बासजों थांगोन स' आं बासफोर लाबाय ओमफ्राय जोङो दा थांगोन स' नायलांबाय थादों आंनि भिडिअखौ
based on your state, so we have to mix. Okay, so here, okay. So the moment we reach, we are going to have tea break. Okay.
So in the bus, I got a new friends from Nagaland. I am enjoying with them. So interesting.
मोनसे जायगायाव दसे ओंखारथ'दों ओमफ्राय यो shower view बिराद मोजां view मोनसे बुस्थु खोन्थानि हाजो गोजौआव मा नुफैदों आङो ये सनि बिराद मोजां जिजासनि स्टेचु रिफ्रेशमेन्ट बिफोर हिल ट्रेकिं Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance when I grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance when I grow up once again. Wow! What a location, man! Wow! Right here! Yeah! Where are you from? Manipur! I'm from Assam. Nice to meet you all. Me too. Arunachal! Hello!
Let's go outside. Let's meet on the top of the mountain.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. हम लोग कोटिया एसोसिएशन से हैं. Nice to meet you. एसोसिएशन हम कितने में आते हैं?
Wow! What have you?
So finally guys, we arrived in location guys. I am enjoying lots of fun. So energetic place. I came first time in my life.
Guys, you want to know what it is? Mengdena madem khunu thalane gelane. See the view. Wow. Wow 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 wow. Place onane seba porane samana fैनो गोसोबा फैनो हागोन. Mizoramनि आं एक्जाक्ट लोकेशनखौ आं दा गोसोआव गैला. आङो नोंथांमोननो लिरनानै होगोन. Please don't forget to visit Mizoram. आयो ओरैबादि मोजां गोमान खस्थ' फैदों जों एफा गोजाननिफ्राय जों थानाया Bodoland आइजवालनि बेसेबा गोजान I think 25 किलोमिटार ना खोन्थादोंमोन जोंनो सारमोना ओमफ्राय जोंखौ दिनै बिसिम लाबोबाय स' गोसोनि साननायाबो फुरा जाबाय इउटुबाव नायबाय थादोंबाबो बेरायनो लुबैदों होननानै स' नायदो लाइफआव फार्स्ट टाइम फैदों आङो बिदि जायगायाव खुनु दिन फैफेराखै आयौ थाबायनो हाया मोनबाय How you feel? How you are feeling?
Very energetic.
Very energetic.
अच्छा इस और में तो लोग दिखाओ रे ना वैसे
বাইরে অ্যাকচুয়ালি জল দিয়ে পড়ছে বুঝছো সিনিয়র দিরে একটা আলাদা বোতল দিছি
जों दा बै गोजौ थांबावो ओरैबादि समायना जायगा आयौ आयौ लाइफआव फार्स्ट टाइम नुफेरदों आङो I have seen first time in my life. What a beauty. Sir, how you feel? No.
Mesmerizing, awesome.
Energetic place.
Mole mole
How you feel, man?
Tiring a little bit.
Where are you from, ma'am?
From here.
From here, Mizoram. Oh. So guys, I think आं जोंनि बर'फोरनिफ्राय first time फैदों बायदिसो मोनलायलांबाय जायगाखौ एसे नायनानै ओमफ्राय आं मेरला ब्लग नायोमोन गिबियाव सिगाङाव खुनु फैनाय रावखौबो नुफेराखैमोन but I came first time here भिउखौ एसे नायदो केमेरामेन साम जै बोरैबा गोलैबा गैखाला ओमफ्राय सानबायमोन मा गाखोबोनायाव गाखोला थांला नामा ओजों थाङाबा मोनोबानो खिन्थु फैबाय दै गांबोदोंमोन आं लामायाव बिरादनो दैबो गांगाबाय ओंखामबो उखैगाबाय आयौ माबायदि प्लेसमोन एनार्जेटिक प्लेस वाव आलदा फिल खालामखाबाय दिनैहाय फैनानै स' नोंथांमोनाबो सोरबाफोर फैनो गोसोबा बे मिज'रामनि बेयावहाय मेरला रिजर्ट दङ हटेलफोर दङ थाफैनो हागोन I think Reik Valley or something ना मैम Reik so please all of you come and visit Mizoram it's my request to you finally आङो बयनिफ्राय गोजौसिन जोबथानाय जायगायाव फैबाय आयौ माने मानसिफ्रा थिखिनायाव दहन फैजोबदों आं बै गाहायजोंसो नायबोदोंमोन औ
जय बोडलान्ड इउनिभार्सिटी ने जय बोडलान्ड इउनिभार्सिटी ने
So now we came back from the top of the hill. So it's my one request to you all, please come and visit Mizoram Rig. Don't forget to visit, okay? If you are coming to Mizoram, please come and visit this place. It's a very nice place. So now and here
Second
we
World
have
War
seen the freedom fighters of Mizoram.
नै माबायदि गाखोदों Wow, sir, wow. Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Lansaboya.
Where are you from? You are from Mizoram? Right.
No,
Right.
no.
What?
Yes, go.
Oh.
Go.
In which class do you read? You read in class KG2? Yeah, class 2.
No, class.
Class 2.
Yes.
English medium, huh? Oh. Your friend is coming.
Mizo school.
Oh, yeah.
Look,
Okay.
see, look.
And now I am ready to do the zip line in the top of the hill. Excited first time.
now
So here in the last program we have famous Mizo singer from Mizoram. Her voice was so sweet and she was singing very nice song, but I cannot give her song because she was singing with track. If I give this song then
We
copyright
are
will come.
really
That's why I'm
inspired
not giving
with
sorry
your knowledge. I hope and believe that all the NSS volunteers
Yes.